Welcome! This video will show you how to use WiseNet DDNS. When a camera is using a dynamic IP address, it is often difficult to access the camera since users have to enter the updated IP address every time it changes. WiseNet DDNS is a service that converts the dynamic IP address of a camera into a DDNS URL so that users can easily access the camera when using an external remote PC or mobile. Once you register the camera on the DDNS server, users can easily access the camera with the DDNS URL without having to know the changed IP address. Hanwha DDNS introduces WiseNet DDNS service. Visit us at hanwhasecurity.com and click on the top right button that says WiseNet DDNS, or for direct access, visit ddns.hanwha-security.com. Follow the next 4 steps to use WiseNet DDNS. First, sign up for membership. Click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the required information to sign up for a membership. Click on the button to complete the sign-up. Log in and click the My DDNS button to register the product on the DDNS. Click on the Register Product tab to proceed. ddns.hanwha-security.com/product ID will be the WiseNet DDNS URL when accessing the camera. Enter the product ID and fill out the rest of the information required. Click on the Product Registration button. The product will be added to the product list. WiseNet DDNS registration is completed. Access the camera web viewer to set up WiseNet DDNS. From the Setup menu, select the Network tab and then click on the DDNS. Select WiseNet DDNS to use the DDNS server provided by Hanwha DDNS. To use a public DDNS server, select Public DDNS. Enter the product ID that is registered with the WiseNet DDNS service. When the router supports the UPnP function, select Quick Connect to automatically set port forwarding. If the router does not support the UPnP function, go to the Router menu to set port forwarding manually. To set port forwarding manually, first check the camera's IP address and port information. Access 1. Device Manager, IP and Port, or 2. Web Viewer, Setup, Basic, IP and Port. Access the Setup menu of the broadband router. Set the number of each port of the router according to the port number assigned to the connected camera. Save the settings and port forwarding is completed. Manual port forwarding settings may vary depending on the router model that's connected. For more information, refer to the user manual of the router in use. When done, click Apply. Once WiseNet DDNS setup is completed, a pop-up message that says Successful will appear on the screen. You can check that the connection status is on the WiseNet DDNS website. Click the View button to monitor on the WiseNet DDNS website. WiseNet Web Viewer will appear on the screen. Now, you can easily access the camera with the registered DDNS URL without having to know the changed IP address when using a remote PC or mobile. Let me show you how to access from a mobile phone. Launch the Internet browser on your mobile and type the WiseNet DDNS URL registered. Enter the user ID and password of the camera on the login window. You can now access the camera. You can also access the camera by an external remote PC using the same method. For more information, visit www.hanwha-security.com. WiseNet. Hanwha TechWin.